The animal bridge. Bear was eating some juicy forest berries when Blue Jay swooped down next to him. The trucks are back, Blue Jay screeched. Rabbit hopped by and squealed. They are working on another construction project. Oh no, not again, Bear cried. It seems as though the humans just finished building their busy highway. Rabbit complained. Blue Jay reported. They're at it again, chopping down trees and digging up the dirt and grass. Bear growled. When will those humans stop building? He thought. They kept constructing roads through the forest. In the process, they were destroying the animals' homes and food. Some animals had even been hit by cars when they tried to cross the busy roads. Bear grabbed a bunch of berries and sat down by a tree to think. He wondered if his favorite berry bushes would be gone soon too. Then he noticed Deer trotting slowly toward him, her head down. Bear asked, "What's the matter, dear?" Deer moaned, "I'm all alone. I got cut off from my herd near Moss Trail. Now I'm too scared to cross the road to join them." "Enough is enough," fumed Bear. "We need to think of some way to stop the humans." The animals gathered together at the woody hill. "We need to get tough," Rabbit yelled to the animals. Yes, they all agreed. "To have none of you can fly," said Blue Jay. "If you had wings, then you wouldn't need to cross the roads." "I can't fly," said Rabbit, "but I can chew." Rabbit showed off her two front teeth. She said, "I have an idea. My big teeth can chew through anything. I can't get underneath the trucks and chew through the wires. Without their trucks working properly, the humans can't dig up the land." Rabbit jumped down the hill. "I'm going to stop them right now," she said. Rabbit dashed like lightning toward Mouse Trail. When she got there, she scurried underneath an empty parked truck. Rabbit clenched her teeth on a wire. She chewed there until, snap! The wire slipped, but one of her big teeth cracked. Rabbit came up from under the truck and hopped back to the woody hill. Rabbit showed Rabbit showed her cracked tooth to the other animals. "I did it," she declared. "But ouch! Now my tooth hurts." Then Moose boasted, "I can use my strong antlers to ram into anything and crush those trucks." Moose marched to the forest. Head first, he rammed into a truck. He made a dent. "Yes," roared Moose. He hit the truck again. It made another dent. He hit it again. Now Moose was dizzy. He spun, he spun around and around. The truck had three big dents. Moose staggered back to the animals. "We are making our mark," he announced. Then he fell down because he was so dizzy. Skunk bragged, "My stench can drive away the workers. Skunk sprayed a good whiff. Grass. Turtle shouted, "You stick." Turtle retreated into his shell. Skunk laughed and scurried down to Moss Trail. Skunk scampered behind the workers and lifted her tail. The humans smelled her odor immediately, grabbed masks to cover their noses and mouths, and returned to their work. Skunk returned to the woody hill. That was as easy as ABC, she boasted. The animals went to check on the humans' progress. They were upset to see that the humans were still working in the forest. Rabbit fumed. Our efforts were useless. The humans are still here. No matter what we do, we can't seem to get rid of them, sighed Bear. For a long time, all the animals felt defeated. Then one day, they saw something strange. They watched the workers put dirt and grass over the bridge. Moose said, "My goodness, humans are weird." Soon the workers left the bridge. Then the animals saw the workers underneath the bridge. They were putting signs by the side of the road that passed beneath the bridge. "Hey, wait a minute," Bear said. "That's a picture of me. I think this bridge was made for us." The animals whooped and hollered. "The humans are trying to help us." Rabbit exclaimed. "They made their bridge into an animal bridge." Moose added, smiling. Deer said, "Now I can find my herd." Then she batted off into the forest. The, the animals stood peering down at the busy traffic below the bridge. "Hooray for our bridge!" Bear cheered.